Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. You see, today's video I'll be making just a simple and easy cherry juice. I'll be adding in a nice piece of ginger, 1 lime, and about 1 teaspoon of honey. But as always, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefit that it has to offer. The cherry, it is a good source of vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and other nutrients that our body needs to function. The cherry, it is rich in antioxidant and inflammatory compound. It can also boost exercise recovery, may benefit from heart health, and the cherry, it can ease the symptom of arthritis. And one of the things that I like about the cherry, it can also improve sleep quality. Lime is high in vitamin C and antioxidant and will offer a lot of health benefits. You see, if we eat the lime or we drink the lime juice, it may improve our immunity, reduce the risk of heart disease, and the lime can promote even a healthy skin and also prevent kidney stone. Ginger is loaded with antioxidant compound that prevent stress and damage to our body's DNA. The ginger, it may also fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease associated with our lungs. That's just a brief description of all of the ingredients that FadaGugs is going to be using in the video today. I'll put a more detailed one in the description below so you can have a look. If you like the information so far we're getting from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now let's just go on and make the drink. I'll just put it over there. So first, what we want to do, we want to prepare the cherry to get blend. So you need to do, take the cherry and just take off the stem and just throw them in a nice container where we are going to just wash them off. Remember, we need to wash the ingredients then before we start use them, just to kind of wash off any germs or anything we don't really want in your juice. Basically, just prepare the cherry for the blender. So here we have it. So what we need to do now, we need to just get some water and just pour it on it. Just need a nice wash. Wash off all of them bacteria and all of that. So I'll just go and finish up this and then I'll get back to you. So here you have it, people. Cherry all washed, nice and clean. So what we need to do now, we need to just put it in our blender. Bring the blender forward. Sure it's circle. And what we need to do, we just need to throw our cherry inside our blender. So the amount of cherry I'm using about 2 cups of cherry. And I'm going to be using 4 cups of water. Just throw the water in there. I don't really want to dilute it out too much. So about 4 cups of water. And then we're going to use just a nice piece of ginger. Just cut up the ginger just like that. Yep. Then just drop it in the blender. And as always, we're going to use the lime for last because we don't really want to put too much lime in it and then it's going to be too sour. So that's basically it. So let me just push this to the side a bit. Just bring it forward. So there we have it, people. So we just need to start the process of blending it. So here we have it, people. I'll finish blend up. So we just need to strain it. So I've got my container here and I'm straining cloth. Just like that. Take out this. And then I just throw the juice inside it. Yeah, that smells nice. That smells nice. Just leave it up and just watch the goodness run out. So there you have it, people. Just wipe off my hand. Just gonna clean up the side of it. So now get my wooden spoon. And we're just gonna give it a taste. Yeah, just a slight little taste. Yeah, it is fresh and nice. I'm going to use half a lime inside it. So let's get my strainer and just squeeze out half a lime. It tastes nice with the ginger. Because these cherry, it's not really sour. Let's say it have a neutral taste, which is alright. Yeah. Let me taste this one now and see how it tastes. Yeah, that's nice. That's it, we don't want nothing more than that. So now, just put about a teaspoon of honey inside it. That's all we need, just a teaspoon of honey. We don't need a lot of honey inside it. That's it. That's it. And don't forget all of the health benefits we are going to get from drinking this drink. As well as it's going to be very refreshing and tasty. Alright, one more taste and see what I go on. That's fine. So we need to do now, you need to just get a nice glass and just put it inside it so you can have a proper a proper look. Let's get back my board. Nice, good job. Let's show the niceness inside it now. There you have it, people. It's the final product. Just put a couple of the ingredients them inside it. So that's it. That is cherry juice. Very healthy, and it is also delicious. So if you like the video today with FadaGugs up, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And always share with your friends and your family. But for now, till next time, FadaGugs is out.